I-NPA ithwese unina walentombazanyana amacala afana nakayise okungawokuhlukumeza kanye nokubulala.
The question that we asked ourselves as the NPA was whether or not the actions of the father should be imputed on the mother as well in an attempt to hold them accountable, criminally liable. So the decision that we have taken is that indeed the mother should be charged also with murder and child abuse under the doctrine of common purpose.
Ishoshovu zodlame olwayamene nobulili zithi ziyazwelana nonina wesisulu ngoba kulula ukuphumela obala uma uhlukunyezwa.
I can't crucify her. You know, if you're in an abusive relationship, it's not easy to come out. And it's not easy just to speak out to anybody. Because if I can speak to my friend will tell that one, they won't maybe look for a solution and come up with a solution.
ePitoli icala lenkohlakalo nokushushumbisa imali elibhekene nowayengusomlomo wePhalamende uNosiviwe Maphisa Nqakula lihlehliselwe umhla zingama-20 nomuvo kuLwezi.
Request is made by your council to have this matter adjourned until the 21st of November 2025. It's now being placed on record that your council has received full discovery of the DICA docket, which I'm told that it comprises of 26 Act Liver files, that your council needs to go through it.
uMaphisa Nqakula obebukeka egcwele umunyu namhlanje enkantolo ufuna izitatimende zasebhange ezikhombisa inkohlakalo okhulunywa ngayo kanti uthi uhlelo lokubhalela umqondisi ehhovisini lokushushiswa komphakathi ukuze kucace ukuthi lamacala athweswe wona akhona yini.